Are you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or in need of a mental and physical reset? Look no further than the healing power of nature. Spending time outdoors engaging in wellness activities can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Here is how my sister liked to spend her day.
For me, I like to watch animals at the farm. This is a calming experience. Nature has a way of rejuvenating the mind, body, and soul. The fresh air, the soothing sounds of birds chirping and leaves rustling, and the beauty of the natural world can help to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase feelings of peace and tranquility.